Hello friends, this is Neha Junsu. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing Huxley Essence Grab Water Serum. It claims that watery gel essence is made with 85% organic Sahara cactus extract that nourishes and helps retain skin moisture. Peppermint and grapefruit extracts provide added nourishment as well as soothing relief for tired, stressed skin. Made without parabens, synthetic dyes, and mineral oils. It also has hyaluronic acid, antioxidant berry complex, Japanese apricot, and yerba mate leaf. It comes in a light blue glass bottle. Its dropper doesn't go all the way to end, unfortunately, but it works fine. I love its simple design. This serum has these little bubbles in it at all times that I don't know why it has it. It has faint peppermint/fresh scent that soothes my nerves. The essence is lightweight and watery, but as you apply it on skin, it feels a little thick and absorbs into the skin within next few seconds. My skin before using this serum is very dry, even though in hot month of June. I have little texture on my skin along with blemishes and few dark spots. After cleansing and toning, I am applying the serum on my face. As I apply the serum, it absorbs in my skin right away within a second or two. It is not oily or greasy at all. It feels very cooling and is lowering the temperature of my skin. My skin feels moisturized and plump after the first use. After 2 months, that's how my skin looks. My skin is plump, hydrated, and glowing. Even though my overall complexion seems bright, it hasn't done anything for my blemishes or dark spots. I love how it cools skin because if skin's temperature is high, then melanin is produced. It's lightweight and feels refreshing on skin. It protects skin against pollutants in air. It absorbs quickly. So this product is really good for it. I haven't heard really good reviews about it, but yeah, for me, this product is really good for summer. It's watery, it's not sticky, it's not oily, and it helps in giving you hydration. Then why not? It's a good product. This serum calmed my breakouts and redness as well. The things that I didn't like about this serum was that it is pricey. It includes fragrance, alcohol, and butylene glycol, which can be skin irritant to some people. Also, it wasn't effective for my pigmentation. I have used this much in 2 months. I will rate it 4/5. This is Neha Junsu signing off. Bye.